Hello again. Yes, a much quieter weather story to deliver you this week. We just about said goodbye to the snow, the widespread hard frosts and the icy conditions, but the big question mark is the amount of sunshine we're going to see over the next few days or so. Variable amounts of cloud, also the risk of some mist and fog during our overnight periods, but drier and certainly milder compared to last week. So this was the story today. High pressure is in charge, but around the high we're feeding in a weak front, so generating a bit more cloud for the afternoon. And this story continues breezy over the mountaintops, but as we head through into the evening and overnight period, we stay mostly dry. Now, under the clearer skies, the temperatures will take a bit of a tumble, the low single figures, just about frost free, but certainly for towns and cities or out of any thicker clouds, we're looking at 6s and 7s. As we head into tomorrow, there is sun times, 8:16 and 4:16. And for tomorrow, it's a mostly dry day. Quite a disappointing start for many. There will be some low cloud, mist and fog, and we are expecting a cloudy story. But into the afternoon, it stays mostly dry. It stays mild, 10 or 11 Celsius, and a little bit brighter from the north and from the west into the second half of the day. So we are expecting some sunshine, and that northwest-southeast split continues overnight. So under the clearer skies to northern and western parts of Yorkshire, could be looking at a -3 tomorrow night. And into Thursday, that northwest-southeast split continues, with southern and eastern parts seeing a bit more in the way of clouds. Slightly colder over the coming few days, but mostly dry. Hello again. Yes, thankfully a quiet story to tell you this week compared to last week, and thankfully a slow or generally slow thaw for that frost and ice and compacted snow that we had over the last week or so. So as we head through into the next couple of days, it is mostly dry, definitely milder compared to last week, but annoyingly with variable amounts of cloud coming round an area of high pressure that pretty much stays with us for the week and into the start of the weekend. So we will see some cloud around at times, but the high is close enough to keep us mostly dry, although quite breezy over our hilltops. So as we head through into this evening and overnight tonight, we are mostly dry. Where we get the clearer pockets, the temperatures will tumble to the low single figures, just about frost free, but under thicker cloud, we are expecting 5 to 7 Celsius overnight tonight. So certainly milder compared to what we've been used to. As we head into tomorrow, 8:09 and 4:14 are your sun times. Quite cloudy, I think, across most parts of the region tomorrow morning, but it will improve a little bit throughout the day. So the cloud thins and lifts, and from the north and west, we start to see a little bit more in the way of sunshine. I think for most parts of Lincolnshire, probably a cloudier day compared to today. It's the opposite almost, but highs of 10 Celsius, much milder. We've got that northwest-southeast split overnight tomorrow night, so it could give us a frost under the clearer skies, some fog patches into parts of Lincolnshire around the Wash. But for daylight hours, again, plenty of sunshine further north and west, but struggling with cloud further south and east. Generally quite cloudy but dry with light winds towards the weekend and a little bit colder.